Okay, 2 times. Last time. One, ready? And go on the A string. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, all that's left now is to learn the very end. So let's learn the C section. Starting from that down bow, which is measure 11. This is quite simple. It's just really a descending scale. But the part that confuses everyone, especially kids, is the counting part. They don't know how many third fingers to play. If you look at the second note, it's a third finger. And somehow people just somehow mess that one up. So let's count it. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1, 2. Let's count it another 2 times. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1, 2. Last time. Ready. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1, 2. So don't count D's. Don't count third fingers. Count 1 and 2 and if it helps you, you can write actually the numbers and the and sign, 1 and 2 and, above every single note of that part, because that's going to keep you on track. Let's play it. On the E string, third finger hovering over A string. If you want, you can test it with the D string. And we'll get going. Ready, go. 3 times. Okay, 2 more times. Let's test that third finger with D string. Okay, ready, go. Alright, last time, let's test it. Third finger, good. Ready, go. You know what, we need to do it another 2 times because we've been doing the others 5 times and I want to make sure you got it. So, 2 more times. Ready, go. Alright, last time. Ready, go. Okay, time for the whole piece. Now you'll notice there's a repeat sign on this piece. So rather than doing the piece 5 times, we're going to do it 3 times and repeat. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Repeat. All right, 2 more times. And each time you do it, try to think a little bit like, when can I play a little bit softer here, a little bit louder here? You know, you'll get more comfortable and you'll be able to kind of be a little bit more creative as you do it. So get our A1s. Bow on the A string. 1, 2, ready, go. very last time. Let's do some A1s. A string, 1, 2. Ready? Go. There you go, Song of the Wind.